In this video, we review ETrade versus Fidelity. Have you used ETrade or Fidelity before? What was your experience? Leave your ETrade or Fidelity review in the comments section below. When comparing ETrade and Fidelity, two major online brokerage platforms, it's essential to highlight their distinct features and user feedback, as both have garnered strong reputations among traders and investors. Interestingly, Fidelity has been rated as one of the best for customer service, often outperforming ETrade. Additionally, Fidelity is notable for not accepting payment for order flow, PFOF, on stocks and ETFs, a practice that can impact trade execution quality. On the other hand, ETrade tends to attract active traders due to its flexible trading tools and options for futures trading, a feature Fidelity does not offer. Both brokers offer $0 commissions for stocks, ETFs, and options trades, making them accessible to a broad range of investors. Their options contract fees are also identical at 65 cents per contract, but ETrade provides a discount to 50 cents if a user makes at least 30 trades per quarter. In contrast, Fidelity stands out with its margin rates, which are consistently lower than ETrade's, particularly for accounts below $100,000. Fidelity's rates for balances below $25,000 start at 13.575%, while ETrade's are slightly higher at 14.2%. For traders using margin accounts extensively, this difference could result in significant cost savings over time. Additionally, Fidelity does not charge for full or partial account transfers, while ETrade imposes fees, making Fidelity a more cost-effective choice for investors who might switch accounts frequently or consolidate their portfolios. From a user experience perspective, both platforms receive high marks for their mobile apps, catering to investors who prefer to trade on the go. Fidelity and ETrade's apps are equipped with robust features, including advanced charting tools, stock alerts, and after-hours trading capabilities. However, Fidelity's app edges out slightly due to its seamless integration with Apple Watch and superior technical study options, boasting 129 compared to ETrade's 107. Users on forums like Reddit and Quora often commend Fidelity for its research tools, high-quality customer support, and extensive educational resources, making it a preferred choice for beginners and those focused on long-term investing. Fidelity's clients also benefit from higher interest rates on uninvested cash, currently offering up to 4.95%, a significant advantage over ETrade's lower rates. For active and day traders, ETrade provides compelling features like futures trading and customizable option strategies, which Fidelity lacks. This has made ETrade popular among users who require extensive options trading capabilities and the ability to trade futures. Moreover, ETrade's Power ETrade platform is particularly praised for its usability and advanced features like strategy backtesting, though some users criticize its slightly slower execution speeds compared to Fidelity. In terms of trading technology, Fidelity excels with faster order execution speeds, 0.04 seconds on average, and a higher average price improvement per trade, which reflects in better trading outcomes for users. Fidelity's smart order routing, which accesses various market venues including dark pools, gives it a significant edge over ETrade, especially for sophisticated traders looking for the best possible pricing. In terms of account amenities, Fidelity also takes the lead. It provides a wider range of no-load mutual funds without transaction fees, nearly 6,310 compared to ETrade's 3,396. Fidelity's extensive selection caters to investors seeking a diversified portfolio of mutual funds without incurring additional costs. Both brokers offer comprehensive research tools and screeners, but Fidelity screeners for stocks and ETFs are often considered superior in terms of customization and depth. This makes Fidelity a favorite among investors focused on detailed stock analysis and research. However, ETrade has its advantages. It caters well to those who prefer direct market access, providing real-time quotes and extensive streaming capabilities. Despite lacking certain tools like Fidelity's basic strategy backtesting, ETrade's Power ETrade platform remains highly appreciated by its user base for its intuitive interface and efficient options trading features. Additionally, ETrade offers broker-assisted trades at a lower fee of $25, compared to Fidelity's $32.95, appealing to investors who occasionally need help placing trades. In conclusion, Fidelity and ETrade are excellent platforms, but they cater to slightly different user needs. Fidelity's superior customer service, lower margin rates, extensive mutual fund offerings, and advanced research tools make it ideal for long-term investors and beginners looking for a comprehensive investment experience.